This is a review of attending a workshop called ABC Learning Design in Croatia at Srce. Investing just 2 hours of my time to attend this workshop was a very good decision. One of the things that I found most useful in this workshop is that we gained a practical experience on how our students or our course participants view our online courses. So we were able to view our existing courses as we were a student. At this workshop we were guided by e-learning experts from Srce that help us to add some additional activities within our courses that could help our courses be more interactive and more engaging for the students. For example, they showed us and gave us examples on what Moodle resources we can add, such as blogs, wikis, or assignments, or Moodle resources called workshops. Also, another really interesting part of the workshop was that we did all this as a group, so we had a group assignment to redesign a certain course. We were able to exchange our experiences and dilemmas that we had with other participants, and that was really helpful. I will definitely be able to apply the knowledge that I gained since I work at the Croatian Academic and Research Network. I work as an e-learning specialist, and one of my tasks is actually to lead implementation of more than 15 online courses from next year. We have a really big target audience. We have more than 60,000 school staff members that we hope to raise their digital competencies with a series of educational activities, including those 15 online courses. Our main idea with this ABC Learning Design workshop is to help all of the experts that will be working on those online courses attend this workshop and actually redesign our courses to make them more participant friendly. So I would definitely recommend participating on this workshop for anybody who wants to raise their teaching standards.